Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you speed up multiple clips in Premiere Pro. So guys, to speed up multiple clips, here you can see as I have selected multiple clips here. Now I'm gonna speed up this. So just select this and right click. Here you can see speed duration, click on it and you can make the speed duration like 200 or 250 maybe, like this. Then you can just select this and you can make the speed duration like again 250, and make it like this, and again select it and select the duration for 250. And here you can see if you run the video it will be faster. The three clips are faster together. So guys, that's how you can speed up multiple clips in Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.